Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. With this tutorial, I am going to talk about PHP object-oriented classes and objects. PHP OOP, classes and objects. A classes is a template for objects, and an object is an instance of class. Let's assume we have a class named car. A car can have properties like model, color, manufacturer, etc. We can define variables like $model, $car, and $manufacturer. We hold the values of those properties. When the individual object, as example Toyota car, BMW car, are created, they inherit all the properties and behaviors from the class. But each object will have different values for the properties. Okay, I will explain a little bit more about these classes and object. Here, as you can see, we have classes. Classes mean that mean as an example, if we consider the car class, with the car class we can keep variables. That mean it will hold the that vari that mean that class variations. That mean model, color, manufacturer. Likewise, we can changing those variables. We can create different objects, different behaviors, different objects. That mean if we, as an example, if we say like this, that mean there can be a red car, there can be a black car. Likewise, we changing prop variables, we can create different cars. When it's come to classes, when we define those variables inside of the classes, we say we call those as properties within the class. That means class properties. And this class can be have behaviors. That means every object have different behaviors. These behaviors come from the class. That mean inside. That mean as example, this car example, we can say there can be have apply brake, apply signal, apply gear. Likewise, we can have different behaviors. Those behaviors we define using the functions. Inside of the class, we define those using the functions. When we implement those things, we say we call those as methods, class methods. Then within the class, we can see class methods and also class properties. Changing class properties, we can create different objects with likewise Toyota car, BMW car. Likewise, we can create a different object changing those behaviors and properties. Okay, let's jump into the code example to get a better idea. Okay, I will. Okay, let's go to a code example. Okay, here I will create a PHP class. When we creating a class, we need to use a class keyword like this, class, and then after that we need to give the class name. Here, when we giving the class name, where the first letter need to be a capital, and we need to use the camel case class. Sorry, not the class car. And here within the car class, we can have number of properties. Let's say we have a public property called car can be have a model and public dollar. Let's say we have color also and public dollar. Let's say we have a manufacturer. Okay, manufacturer. Okay, these are the properties. Changing these property values, we can define different types of cars. Let's say we have method. That means let's say we have method public get info 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 like this. Okay, within this get info thing, we can we can return these values. let's say a public function, we need to function. Here we create method like this public function get info. Get info is the method name. Like I previously said that it is like a apply break kind of example. That means that is the method name. Let's say we going to return this return something model is model is let's say dollar this keywords we use to refer the current class property. Now we going to here we going to mention the property that mean model. This keyword we use to scope is the current class. Okay, model is the current class property. Then this within this class model property we referring here, and also we need let's say we say co- color is dollar this color. Okay, and also we going to sign a manufacturer. Let's say a manufacturer as let's say manufacturer is is okay. Let's say dollar this manufacturer. Okay, this is our return. That means once we uh, create the object, we can see these variable values from this getInfo method, getInfo behavior. Otherwise, it's the behavior of this car. That means, as a real world example, we can say like this. Here we can add something like called public dollar speed. Sorry, speed speed, and we can here add the public function to um, set speed, and within this we have to submit the speed, and let's say we return dollar this we set the current method property speed to this speed, that means speed, and we can say now we can get this speed public function get speed, it will return sorry return dollar this speed. Okay, this is kind of a real example. That means here when we come to car can be have a speed. If we need to speed up the car, we can use the set speed method. It will speed set the current speed, and if we need to show the speed within the dashboard or something, we can use this function to get the speed. Let's try to create a car. Let's say we have a BMW car, a BMW car. Okay, now we create the object. This is the car object. Okay, uh, let's say here car. Here, this is not BMW object. Actually, this is a car object. Car object. Now we have a car object. Within inside of this object. Class we can have another set and get method. I will add to here let's say set manufacturer, set manufacturer, set manufacturer, set okay, and get manufacturer. Okay, here we return the manufacturer. Yeah. Now we have uh, four properties, mainly one, two, three, four, five properties. This property I will not going to use right now. Anyway, we have these main four properties, that means set speed, get speed, set manufacturer, get manufacturer. Okay, now we're going to create our car, BMW, BMW car. Okay, here we use $car object. Using this $car object, we can set this as manufacturer as manufacturer, because we are going to create a BMW car, manufacturer as BMW. Okay, now our car is BMW, and we can set speed as well. Let's say we need to set now we use BMW car equal to $car object. We can set um, we can set speed. We can set speed. Let's say let's say 100. Okay. Now we can view. We can check what is our car and what is our speed, current speed. To do that, let's say a BMW car. Let get you. We can use get method. Let's say get manufacturer. Here we can get manufacturer and echo br. Okay, and this also need to be echo. And also we can get current speed. Okay, current speed, get speed. Okay, here get speed. We can say, let's say like this, manufacturer is, okay, manufacturer is this. And let's say current speed is, okay, this. Okay, now we can check with the browser. Okay, here I have, okay, we need to run this, not like this BMW car, BMW car. Here we don't need actually these variables because it is already BMW. Okay, now we create our BMW car. Here, as you can see, we create our car object. Okay, car object, then we passed our car manufacturer. That means we need to create a BMW car, then we pass our manufacturer as a BMW, and we need a BMW current speed is 100. Then we set it as 100, and let's see now what is our car and is it 100 speed. That means we checking here is that our car is created or not. Let's go to the browser. Yeah, you can see it's created our BMW car and high speed is 100. Likewise, this is the basic idea behind of this. That means we changing the property values, we can create multiple objects. That means BMW car or Toyota car, or likewise we can create different cars. And changing the methods, we can change the behaviors. Creating defining the methods, we can change the behaviors, like here get speed, set speed, get speed, set manufacturer. Likewise, now we can add on, even if need set color. Likewise, this real world example we create within the code. That is the main idea behind of this. And here actually the I will explain a little bit more. Um, Here this is tutorial actually only for class and objects. In here, this is the class we created, and this is the object we created. Changing this object property values, we can create different cars. Likewise, this is the basic idea behind of class and objects. There can be have more things, that mean constructor, deconstructor, inheritance. Likewise, lot of things are there. Those are actually a lot of things are there, but those things are I covered with the different videos. You can check my videos. Here I'm just only introducing you the, that mean new beginners to class and object. Class is a kind of structure of the object, and object is a instance of the class. You can see we create a class using we create the object using car object using the car class. Using this car class methods and properties, we create the BMW car, and current speed is 100. Likewise, we can create a different variations using this object. I hope you guys understand what I demo to you, and I hope this video is helpful. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.